This is a huge 4 BHK in Khar, located just 10 minutes away from Juhu Beach. Right here is your spacious living and dining area, and that is the beautiful view that you'll be getting. You have your entrance on that side and 2 bedrooms there. There are total 4 bedrooms, and each bedroom here has an attached washroom. The carpet area is 1663 square feet. Just imagine owning a house this big in Mumbai. We are just 10 minutes away from Juhu Beach and 10 minutes away from station as well, so primely located. This is a very premium project, G plus 3 plus 13 story tower. We have podium parking here, and we have all the amenities here like gym, kids play area, swimming pool, and much more, which is quite rare at a place like this. This is a modular kitchen. This is exactly how you're going to get it. This is our third bedroom. All the bedrooms are very spacious, and this is a very peaceful locality. Now let me tell you the price of this 4 BHK. But before that, just take a look at the last bedroom. Again, very spacious layout, has all the amenities, and the price for this 4 BHK is 10.81 CR onwards. So do not miss it. To know more, all you need to do is call on the number above and follow us for more such videos.